All right, I think I'm going to make a little introduction for a series that I'm probably going to call The Broken Life. Um, in short, that's because everything I own is broken. This car has not really been on the road for, honestly, about 10 years. So we have some things to do with that. I'll introduce the car properly at some other time. The Jeep here, same story, except it's been on the road, but plenty of work to be done. Most recently, exhaust manifold just completely exploded, so we need to get that taken care of. The top on this thing has been horrible for years now, and I've got a new top for it, just need to put it on, and now it's too cold. It's like 34 degrees in the garage, and I want it to be like 90 when I try and put a new top on. That floor jack's broken, even the shop radio is broken. I think it has self-healed itself by way of breaking all the way. Technically that toolbox is kind of broken. Organizational problems are severe, but we're getting there. So there's, the tractor's broken, of course. There's 4 or 5 things wrong with the tractor. Snow thrower, technically broken. Runs, works, but all the guards are broken up, need glued back together, So there's like 6 or 8 things just in this room that I can see from where I'm standing that all need repair. And the collection goes on. It goes into the house, it goes into the basement, it goes to my dad's shop. I got projects from here to Kingdom Come. Not all of them are automotive, not all of them are snow throwers and tractors and stuff like that, although there is a second tractor, so I have 2 of those that are broken. All kinds of stuff like that. So I'm just going to create a series called The Broken Life, just to bring you guys along through some of that adventure with me. Pardon me. And we'll see how it goes. That's the high level concept. It could be good, could be really bad. We'll find out. Thanks. See ya.